Affordable window replacement in Murray, UT starts with choosing the right product for the climate, the home style, and the budget. Vinyl windows Murray homeowners choose often deliver strong value, long-term durability, and better comfort than older wood or aluminum units. Local window replacement company Murray Services can provide vinyl replacement windows, energy-efficient vinyl windows, and insulated replacement windows that help reduce heating loss and improve year-round performance. For home improvement windows Murray, Utah projects, modern vinyl window styles offer clean lines, low maintenance, and dependable operation. Whether the goal is draft reduction windows, weather-resistant windows, or affordable vinyl window replacement Murray, the right system can improve curb appeal and indoor comfort fast, especially with vinyl windows Murray solutions tailored to local homes. Residential window replacement in Murray, Utah works best when the installation method matches the condition of the existing opening. Full-frame window replacement is ideal for damaged frames, rot, or major structural issues, while insert window replacement can be a smart solution when the existing frame is sound. Window retrofit services are popular for homeowners seeking a less invasive upgrade, especially for Murray, UT insulated vinyl windows and house window replacement Murray, UT projects. Residential vinyl window contractors often recommend full-frame replacement windows Murray for older homes, while sash replacement and window frame replacement may be appropriate for selective installations. For replacement windows near Murray, UT, expert assessment ensures the best fit, finish, and performance. Energy-efficient windows Murray, UT are a major priority for homeowners looking to reduce utility costs and increase indoor comfort. Low-E vinyl windows, argon-filled windows, and double-pane replacement windows can help regulate temperature and limit heat transfer through the glass. Triple-pane vinyl windows provide even more insulation, making them a strong choice for cold winters and busy areas where noise-reducing windows matter. Low-E window replacement Murray options are especially effective for homes exposed to strong sun or wide temperature swings. Energy-efficient vinyl windows and insulated replacement windows can help create a quieter, more stable living environment while supporting long-term savings in Murray, Utah and throughout Salt Lake County, making vinyl windows Murray a smart long-term investment. Vinyl window installation in Murray should be handled by experienced professionals who understand local building conditions and product selection. Residential vinyl window installation Murray services typically include measurement, removal, fitting, sealing, and cleanup, all important for airtight performance. Murray residential window installers can help homeowners compare vinyl windows Murray, UT, custom vinyl windows Murray, Utah, and new construction vinyl windows based on the age and layout of the property. Window contractors. Salt Lake City area teams often serve nearby Murray communities with vinyl window sales and installation Murray, UT, ensuring access to quality materials and skilled labor. For residents seeking reliable home window replacement, professional installation is essential for lasting results and proper operation. Murray, UT window replacement often focuses on upgrading older windows that cause drafts, condensation, or higher energy bills. Drafty window replacement Murray projects are especially common in homes with aging seals, warped frames, or single-pane glass. House window replacement, window upgrade services, and residential window upgrades Murray, Utah can all improve performance and appearance at the same time. Vinyl replacement windows Salt Lake County homeowners prefer are often selected for easy maintenance and strong insulation values. Local homeowners searching for window replacement contractors in Murray or home window replacement Murray, Utah can benefit from options tailored to climate demands, architectural style, and long-term efficiency goals. Custom vinyl windows and modern vinyl window styles make it easier to match replacement products with the look of the home. Some properties need specialty sizing, unique grille patterns, or upgraded frames that blend with existing trim. Custom vinyl windows Murray, Utah options are useful for historic homes, remodeled spaces, and non-standard openings where standard units do not fit correctly. Best vinyl windows in Murray are often chosen for their balance of style, durability, and thermal performance. Residential vinyl window contractors can recommend designs that complement brick, siding, stucco, and contemporary finishes while improving function. For homeowners focused on aesthetics and performance, custom sizing and style flexibility matter. Window retrofit Murray, Utah services are a practical option for homeowners who want better performance without a full tear-out. Insert window replacement is often used in retrofit projects when the existing frame is still structurally sound, making the process faster and less disruptive. Full frame window replacement may be better for homes with hidden damage, but retrofit solutions can still deliver major benefits when paired with quality materials. Residential window services in Murray, Utah may include sash replacement, weather-resistant windows, and draft reduction windows designed to improve comfort efficiently. For many residents, retrofit work offers a strong return by combining convenience, affordability, and dependable results. Double-pane windows Murray, UT are a popular choice for families who want better insulation, better sound control, and better day-to-day comfort. Triple-pane vinyl windows go a step further for homeowners seeking premium efficiency and noise reduction in busy neighborhoods or near traffic corridors. Murray, UT insulated vinyl windows can help stabilize interior temperatures while lowering strain on HVAC systems. Argon-filled windows and low-E vinyl windows are often paired together to enhance insulation and solar control. When evaluating energy-efficient vinyl windows, homeowners should compare glass packages, frame materials, and installation quality to ensure the best long-term performance for residential window replacement. Residential vinyl window contractors in Murray offer a wide range of products for different budgets and home styles. Vinyl windows Murray, UT are available in basic, mid-range, and premium lines, giving homeowners flexibility when planning a house window replacement or larger exterior upgrade. Affordable window replacement does not have to mean sacrificing quality, especially when choosing durable vinyl replacement windows with strong warranties. Window contractors Salt Lake City area professionals often serve Murray, Salt Lake County, and surrounding neighborhoods with replacement windows near Murray, UT that fit local needs. For those comparing window replacement contractors in Murray, experience, product selection, and installation quality should guide the decision. New construction vinyl windows are ideal for additions, remodels, and new builds where the opening is being created or fully reconstructed. These products can also be a good fit when full-frame window replacement is being performed on a home that needs a complete opening refresh. Residential window replacement projects in Murray, Utah often involve selecting the correct frame depth, glass package, and color to match the structure. Vinyl windows Murray, along with energy-efficient windows Murray, UT, can help homeowners improve comfort while keeping maintenance low. Murray, Utah home window replacement services should always be evaluated for fit, durability, and long-term energy performance to maximize value. Residential window replacement in Murray, UT is the fastest way to improve comfort, curb appeal, and home value with energy-efficient vinyl windows, insulated replacement windows, and modern vinyl window styles. Homeowners searching for vinyl windows Murray, vinyl replacement windows, or house window replacement Murray, UT can benefit from low-E vinyl windows, argon-filled windows, weather-resistant windows, and noise-reducing windows designed for Utah weather. For residential window upgrades Murray, Utah, the best results often come from custom vinyl windows Murray, Utah, double-pane replacement windows, triple-pane vinyl windows, and draft reduction windows that help lower energy bills while creating a cleaner, newer look. Affordable window replacement in Murray starts with the right team of residential vinyl window contractors and window replacement contractors in Murray who understand local homes, weather, and style preferences. Whether the project involves vinyl window installation, vinyl replacement windows Salt Lake County, or residential vinyl window installation Murray, quality matters for long-term performance. Many homeowners compare local window replacement company Murray options for vinyl window sales and installation Murray, UT, home improvement windows Murray, Utah, and affordable vinyl window replacement Murray to find the best vinyl windows in Murray with reliable service and strong warranties. For older properties, window retrofit services, insert window replacement, sash replacement, and window frame replacement can be ideal when a full tear-out is not needed. In many cases, drafty window replacement Murray and window retrofit Murray, Utah provide a practical upgrade without major disruption. Full-frame window replacement and full-frame replacement windows Murray are also popular for damaged frames, failed seals, or outdated windows. Homeowners looking for residential window services in Murray, Utah often choose between insert window replacement, full-frame window replacement, and window upgrade services based on budget, efficiency, and the condition of existing openings. Energy-efficient windows Murray UT are especially valuable for homes that face seasonal heat, cold, and noise concerns. Double-pane windows Murray UT, low-E window replacement Murray, and Murray UT insulated vinyl windows help reduce drafts, improve indoor comfort, and support better temperature control. For larger projects, new construction vinyl windows and custom vinyl windows are excellent options, while replacement windows near Murray UT can be tailored for specific rooms, layouts, and design goals. Many residents choose energy-efficient vinyl windows for reliable performance and long-term savings. Residential window replacement in Murray, Utah should also match the home's architecture, whether the goal is a modern update or a classic look. Vinyl windows Murray UT are available in a wide range of finishes and configurations, including custom vinyl windows Murray, modern vinyl window styles, and insulated replacement windows that suit both remodeling and new builds. From Murray, Utah home window replacement to window contractors. Salt Lake City area services. Homeowners can find house window replacement Murray UT solutions that improve appearance, increase efficiency, and deliver lasting value across residential window services in Murray, Utah with trusted vinyl windows Murray options.